Hey guys, this is Ellie from Ellie's Acquired Taste, and today we are going to be reviewing / making the whipped coffee versus the whipped matcha. Okay, so first we're going to dive into the whipped coffee, and these are your essentials and add-ons. First is going to be your instant coffee. Of course, you can make any choice that you really want to, any type of flavor. This one is the easiest and most popular, so that's what we have today. Next is fancy water. I'm just kidding. It is regular water. I don't prefer to use tap water because I think that is gross, but your preference, whatever.
Do you think that was shade?
Next is going to be sugar. This one I use is sugar cane. You can use any type of sugar that you really want to, but it just depends on preference and taste, I guess. Next, I use almond milk. This recipe is going to be dairy-free because I don't want the bubble guts, and yeah, I feel like it tastes better though. I use vanilla. Of course, you can use your choice if you really want to. And then next is going to be our add-ons. I got a little fancy with this because I'm a little bit of a caffeine addict and I wanted to copy Starbucks. So I did get myself some salted caramel syrup. And then to top it off, I do use some cinnamon to add a little bit of spice and flavor. Well, not really spice, but. So next is going to be your essential needs. Your essential tools. You need a deep dish or a deep bowl, may I say, because this is going to get messy. Like your coffee will get absolutely everywhere. I had to clean up my friggin' backsplash over there like a million times. It's not fun. It's not fun. Next is going to be your electric hand whip. This is a lifesaver. It will literally save you 38 minutes. I tried it the regular way and I was there for almost an hour. I even had my girlfriend try it out. Just no. Electric, $20 at Target. It was perfect. It saved me so much time. And then next you will need a tablespoon for your measurements, just so you don't overdo it. I have overdone it before and it wasn't fun. Like my coffee was all milky. It wouldn't even get any type of texture. So that is definitely needed. So for this recipe that I'm doing is going to be for about 2 to 3 people of servings. For your water, you can either use a teapot or you can use a microwave, whatever you prefer, but we do need to heat up the water. We're gonna go ahead, we're going to do 3 tablespoons of water. The popular recipe is only 2 tablespoons, but I got a little jazzy, so I feel like this is my preferred. How many fucking tablespoons did I just do? I have known that 3 tablespoons works for me and whoever else I'm serving. But like I said, you can either use the teapot or the microwave. So I'm gonna go ahead and boom, there we go. I already have this heated up. So we're gonna let that little simmer or boil, whatever you want to call it. All right, so next is going to be our instant coffee. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons. It's gonna be 3 tablespoons for literally all of this stuff. We're gonna do that while my water is boiling. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Next will be my sugar. Now I like my coffee sweet, so I'm going to do 4 tablespoons. This entire recipe, you could pretty much eye it, do whatever the heck you want. 4. Cool. Okay, the water's ready. Ready? And pow! Okay, so now that I have my hair up, let's get into mixing. Follow me. Okay, here, I got my fancy $20 hand mixer. For this mix, you're gonna want to have it literally look exactly like peanut butter consistency, and also what's going to come out of your other end. Okay, cool. So. Let me see. This is definitely thick. thick.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Okay. And this is what you want it to look like. You don't want it to be pouring. You want it to be very thick. Okay, so now that we got our mixing, let's put some ice into this. Now you can make this drink warm or hot or however you like, but I prefer mine iced. Okay. We got it. And I filled my milk up about like, I would say like halfway or a little bit more than half, because the coffee is very thick and you don't want it to like spill over. Okay, oh, give me a second. Fuck, okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait. Okay, cool. Let's dive in. And about so. Okay, got that. I like to put the cinnamon inside my milk for flavor. Damn, okay. We're gonna still add some cinnamon later. Next is our syrup. I literally go like splash. Okay, it's good. It's good stuff. Okay. Now I am going to make my little serving of coffee and save the rest for the girlfriend or whoever you want to make it for. But this part, pretty much almost everyone has gotten this messed up. You have to mix this. This part right here is only for Instagram purposes. You do not drink it like that. You are going to be grossed out. I was pretty traumatized when I tried it this way without mixing it, and no, it's not gonna work for me. Okay, I did about 2 scoops. The rest can be for whomever. I almost forgot my whipped cream to make it a fancy drink. I have coconut milk, whipped cream. Like I said, we're keeping this drink very dairy free. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And this is what's going to come for your Instagram photo. Bam! It's not done yet though, because I have my little topping. Right? Oh shit, well, I'm sorry. And there you have it. Fancy pantsy drink. Okay, but you're not gonna drink it like this. You're going to stir your ass off. You're gonna stir. Stir. Okay, temporarily take that out. Add some more whipped cream. Now that your coffee is made, and bam, voila, fancy pantsiness.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what I drank first.